My grandpa was a woodworker, and I always wanted to follow in his footsteps, but unfortunately, he passed away before he could teach me. But what he left me was a lifetime worth of tools. So now I'm going to learn from him anyway, guided by his tools, notes, and all the crazy gadgets he created over the years. And that journey starts here. Hey, I'm Rye, and I'm a beginner woodworker. Aside from some basic level woodworking classes in high school, I don't have much experience. Luckily, my inexperience is met with an almost unhealthy enthusiasm to learn new things. And that's what my grandfather's axe is all about. With the help of friends, family, and Grandpa's shop, I tackle everything from home renovations to fine woodworking. And along the way, I share my unfiltered mistakes, frustrations, and victories. So stick around to see the honest and comical journey of a beginner learning the trade. Where we'll end up is a mystery, but the why is right there in Grandpa's old motto, because any axe hole can buy a new one.